Good morning, students. Today we start a new chapter, Chapter 9, Introduction to Python module. As we know, our programs become bigger and more complex. The need to organize our code becomes greater. A large and complex program should be divided into files or functions that perform specific tasks. As we write more and more functions in a program, we should consider organizing them by storing them in a module. So, module simply a file that contain Python code. When we break a program into modules, each module should contain function that perform related tasks. So what are modules? Modules are just a simple files which contain Python code. As our program size grows, we break them into small parts which we call functions, and the functions which have a related task are contained in a files which are called modules. For example, suppose we are writing an accounting system. We should store all the account receivable functions in their own modules, and account payable functions and all the payroll functions in their respective modules. This approach, called modularization, makes a program easier to understand, test and maintain. So we can say that modules are modules क्या है हमारे मीन्स modules हमारी ऐसी फाइल्स हैं जिनमें हमने वो जो फंक्शंस हमारा सेम टास्क कर रहे थे उन फाइल्स को स्टोर करके रख दिया हमने. So Python module is a logical organization of Python code. Related codes are grouped into a module, which makes the code easier to understand and use. Any Python module is an object with different attributes, which can be bind and referenced. Simply, it is a file containing a set of functions which can be included in a application. Python provides inbuilt standard modules like math, random, etc. Now we have in Python, in fact, working with modules that are created inside the packages or say libraries. Thus, a Python program comprises three main components: library or a package, module or functions or a sub-modules. A module is a file containing Python definitions, functions, variables, classes and statements, and say with .py extension. On the other hand, a Python package is simply a directory of Python modules. And library in Python is a collection of various packages. Conceptually, there is no difference between a package and a Python library. In Python, a library is used to loosely describe a collection of core or main modules. So, in conclusion, we say that module is a logical organization of Python code, and the Python program comprises of three main components: library or packages, modules or functions or sub-modules. Modules are a file containing Python definitions or a Python code, say with .py extension. Python package is a directory of Python module, and library is a collection of various packages. So this is all about the introduction to Python modules. Thank you.